Prepare a template drawing of a standardized A3 sheet using a CAD system and save to file. Open a new file, launch your CAD software and start a new drawing. Set units and scale. Ensure that your drawing units are set to millimeters or inches, depending on your preference. Set the scale to 1:1. Create a rectangle. Use the rectangle tool to draw a rectangle with dimensions 420 mm x 297 mm for landscape orientation, or 297 mm x 420 mm for portrait orientation. These dimensions represent the size of an A3 sheet. Add borders and title block. Draw lines around the rectangle to represent borders. Leave enough space for a title block on one side of the sheet. The title block typically contains information such as title, scale, date, project name, and author. Include standard information. Inside the title block area, add text boxes for the title, scale, date, project name, and author. You may also include fields for revision history and any other relevant information. Insert logos or symbols. If necessary, you can insert logos or symbols related to your project or organization in the title block area. Dimension the drawing. Add dimensions to the drawing if needed. This step is optional but can be helpful for clarity. Save the drawing. Once you're satisfied with the template, save the drawing file to your desired location on your computer. You may want to save it as a template file, DWG, DXF, etc., for future use. Evaluating the functionality of a CAD, computer-aided design, software package involves assessing various aspects of its capabilities, usability, features, and performance. Here are some key factors to consider when evaluating CAD software: user interface, UI, and ease of use. The UI should be intuitive, well organized, and customizable to accommodate different user preferences and workflows. Evaluate how easy it is to navigate menus, access commands, and perform common tasks without excessive clicks or confusion. Drawing and modeling tools. Assess the range and sophistication of drawing and modeling tools available in the software. Look for features such as lines, arcs, circles, polygons, splines, and curves for creating 2D sketches, as well as solid modeling, surface modeling, and parametric modeling capabilities for 3D design. Assembly and constraint management. Evaluate how the software handles assemblies and constraints for designing complex mechanical systems. Look for features such as assembly mates, constraints, joints, and motion simulation tools to ensure accurate representation and analysis of assembled components. Visualization and rendering. Consider the software's visualization and rendering capabilities for creating realistic 3D models and renderings. Look for features such as real-time rendering, lighting effects, material properties, and high-quality output options for creating visually appealing presentations and marketing materials. Analysis and simulation. Assess whether the software includes analysis and simulation tools for evaluating the performance, strength, and behavior of designs under various conditions. Look for features such as finite element analysis, FEA, computational fluid dynamics, CFD, stress analysis, and motion simulation to ensure the accuracy and reliability of designs. File compatibility and interoperability. Check the software's compatibility with common file formats used in CAD, such as DWG, DXF, STEP, IGS, and STL. Evaluate how well the software interoperates with other CAD systems and whether it supports collaboration and data exchange with external partners and stakeholders. Customization and extensibility. Assess the software's flexibility for customization and extensibility through APIs, application programming interfaces, scripting languages, and third-party plugins or add-ons. Look for opportunities to tailor the software to specific industry requirements, workflows, and preferences. Documentation and support. Evaluate the quality and accessibility of documentation, tutorials, user guides, and online resources provided by the software vendor. Consider the availability of technical support, training programs, and community forums for troubleshooting issues and seeking assistance. Cost and licensing options. Consider the cost of purchasing and maintaining the software, including licensing options, subscription plans, and additional fees for upgrades or support services. Evaluate whether the software provides good value for its price based on its functionality and suitability for your needs. By thoroughly evaluating these factors, you can make an informed decision when selecting a CAD software package that best meets your requirements and enhances your productivity and creativity in design projects.